So look at these, this is the chart. We were discussing cerebellum, cerebrum, forehead. These all we were discussing eye, ear and eye. Till here we have discussed earlier. So let's discuss nose and mouth. Then we have discussed thyroid, neck, shoulder, armpit, stomach, pancreas, spleen, liver, small large intestine. These organ we discussed already. Then we have remaining pelvis, prostate, kidney, ureter, bladder, adrenal gland, lower abdomen, spine, hip, feet, knee, and all. We have discussed this. Forehead, pineal gland, and thyroid we have discussed. Okay. So look at the nose. In the 41 organ energy. What is the importance of nose? You know, nose represent power. Nose represent power. Okay. It's a very important. कहते हैं भाई तुमने तो नाक कटवा दी. Because when you are very powerful, okay, very strong, very powerful, everyone knowing that you are very powerful, everyone is behind you because you are powerful and you will save them from any difficulties. But suppose someone is doing something wrong, someone is attacking on you and you are hiding, or you are doing something, you are not saving others, you are showing that you are a powerless. Oh, you naak katwa di. So without the person having no nose. Nose means power. Okay. नाक की बड़ी वैल्यू. कहते हैं यार तूने तो नाक कटवा दी. कभी बोलते हैं तूने तो कान कटवा दिए. बोलते हैं या तूने तो मूछें कटवा दी. बोलते तूने नाक कटवा दी यार. है ना. What is the importance of the nose? Yeah, so nose is the power. That is also true. Nose is the self-esteem, right? Okay. Self-recognition, self-esteem. Okay. कुछ भी हो जाए नाक नहीं कटने दूंगा. ओके. कुछ भी हो जाए, गर्दन अलग हो जाए लेकिन नाक नहीं कटने दूंगा. ओके. That is the self-esteem. That is the self-recognition. That is the power. उसने गर्दन कटा दी लेकिन नाक नहीं कटने दी. So nose is very important as per the energy concepts. So represent power, self-esteem, self-recognition, emotional processing. When the nose is having low energies, what is the effect? And when the nose is having higher energy, what is the effect? So when the nose is having low energies, it means person blocked emotionally. Nose means expression. Expression. If the nose is having poor energy, means you're not able to express. You're not able to express. You're blocking your emotion. You're not telling to anyone. You're just hiding within you. Difficulty to expressing the emotions if your nose is having low energy. If we see as per the physical effect, then some problem on the nose, smell, sinus problem, sinusitis, infection, congestion of the nose. It's a smell problem. That is the physical effect. An emotional effect, nose means expression of the feeling. On the other side, if the person is having higher energy on the nose, means you're overwhelmed by the emotions. अगर नाक पर ज्यादा एनर्जी है, जैसे किसी ने नाक दबा के रखी है स्प्रिंग की तरह, लाइक समवन प्रेसिंग योर नोज, ओके, so you are very under pressure, okay, you are the highly under pressure. If the higher energy is there, then runny nose, allergic reactions, mucus production. So low energy due to the chronic sinus issue, and already I told you, unable to express the emotions. There is a stagnant emotional energy which is not coming out. And the high energies, the excessive exposure to stress and overactive emotions. Overactive emotions mean there are two conditions. What is the emotion? Anger is emotion or not? गुस्सा कहाँ रहता है? कान पे रहता है कि नाक पे रहता है? एंगर इज ऑन द नोज, कह रहे हमेशा नाक पर गुस्सा लेके घूमते, देयर द हायर एनर्जी ऑफ द नोज. द लो एनर्जी ऑफ द नोज मींस unable to express. You are feeling anger but you are not expressing, you are just suffering. So there we are telling about the anger. Oh, your anger is always on the nose, but not only anger, all the emotions on the nose only, whether the anger or the happiness. जब when the person is joyful and happiness, nose changes, shape of the nose changes. You can see, you click the photo, and when the person is highly joyful, you just click the photo and to the comparison of the nose. Nose become broad, more air is going inside. And when the person is fearful, having some weak energy of the emotions, emotionally depressed, sad, not able to express the emotion, nose gets shrinked. So nose play very important role. Nose is emotion. So many person are having bigger nose. They are having better expression capability. And some person is having very short nose. कई लोगों की नाक लंबी होती है ना, सी. So the longer nose means these people can express the emotions better. Short nose, they having good emotions, but sometimes they are failed to express the emotions. Okay, this is a little bit psychological effect of the nose. So when the nose is having some problem, person is having problem of the smell, not able to feel the smell properly. Okay. So there is a problem with the smell. How to balance it? So we are telling if the person is having some nasal congestion, sinusitis, runny nose, then we are telling, okay, do the Jalaneti. Jalaneti is very good technique in the naturopathy. Jalaneti. And taking the steam inhalation is also very good for nose. And avoiding the dairy products. If the person is having chronic sinus congestion, suffering with again and again problem with the nose, blocked nose, mucus in the nose, runny nose, sinusitis, chronic congestion of the nose, so should avoid dairy product. Or should take the dairy product like in a medicated way, like putting the turmeric, black pepper, or with something, so make it medicated or avoid it. So avoiding the dairy products, avoiding the cold products is good. Taking the steam inhalation, and in this steam you can put eucalyptus or the tulsi. So eucalyptus and tulsi is good, and Jalaneti, like this Jalaneti naturopathy process is good. Now regarding the marma, the two marma points are very good. Number one, tip of the nose or Nashikagra marma. So what is the Nashikagra marma? So Nashikagra marma means the tip of the nose. So what we have to do, hold the tip of the nose and just take it up. Release it, take it up. Another, it's not written here, but we can do on the side of the node in the acupressure, we are telling Li20. This is a very good point. We can do little massage here. It is very good for cough and cold and the congestion. And another marma is written Simant marma. Sima means border. So this is the border. So keeping one hand here, and just pulling away from each other, that is a Simant marma, or we are removing the border, we are removing the suture. So 2 point, tip of the node and Simant marma. 1 point can be added here. That is the Li20 point. So in the marma, it's not written, but in the acupressure point, we can see the first point is Li20. So Li20 just we have seen. And governing vessel 23 is point here just on the Simant marma. So this is we are separating the Simant marma here from the anterior hairline. If I go one chun back, that is the governing vessel 23, a special point for the nose. So we can do acupressure, we can do needling, we can just stimulate this point. So from the anterior hairline, one chun back, that is the governing vessel 23, special point for nose. In the skull acupuncture, this point is very important because we are putting the needle here to open the nose. So lung 7, Li20, and governing vessel 23, 3 points. And marma point, Nashikagra marma and Simant marma. In this way, and taking the steam, in the steam we can put some eucalyptus, some tulsi leaves, and taking the steam. Or in the market also available something like Amrit Dhara, we can put in the steam. Okay, that is opening your chest. And Jalaneti is very good. If the person is having chronic allergic conditions, Jalaneti is one of the great things. Okay. So this was the nose, discussion of the nose here. Regarding the LU7, from the depression on the wrist, if we go 2 finger proximal, that is the location of lung 7. This point is exactly on the side, on the junction of black and white skin on the side. This point is very good for lung and the sinus congestion. Lung 7. Okay. So 3 point written here. So the point number 1, we can see here Li20. Point number 2, governing vessel 23. Point number 3, lung 7. Let's see the location of these points quickly. These points are very important. So first I will tell you the lung 7. Lung 7 is one of the great points for opening the nose. So we can see in this image here.
ये है lung 7.
So lung 7 is located here. From the wrist crease, we have to go 1.5 chun proximal. From here, we can do the acupressure here. We can put the star magnet here, or we can just do the massage here. Put the 1 or 2 drop of oil and do the massage from the wrist crease. We have to go 1.5 chun proximal or 2 finger proximal. Then governing vessel 23. We can see here on the hairline. From the hairline, if we go half chun, that is 24. Again half chun, that is 23. So from the hairline, if we go 1 chun back, that is the location of DU23. So with the help of DU23, we can work on the problem of nose. And the third point will be Li20, which is the point on the side of the node. We can see it on the side of the node. This is the location of Li20 here. Just hold this point and do the zigzag movement up and down on the side depression. This is a very good point for cough and cold, asthma, allergies, and the blocked nose and any problem in the nose. So this was the nose. Now after the nose, let's move to the next. That is mouth. What is the role of mouth? The role of mouth is communication. What is the role? Communication. The role of mouth, expression. Expression in the form of your speech, your sound, you're expressing. Whether you sing a song, you're expressing your feeling, or you're talking to someone, you're communicating with someone, you're expressing your thought and emotions. Okay. So number one, the role of mouth is expression and emotion. Second, we are also eating the food from the mouth. So next we can tell it help in the digestion also. So we are able to digest something. And this starts from the mouth only. Now suppose mouth is having high energy or the low energy, what will happen? If the low energy, you are not able to communicate, you are not able to express, you are not able to express your feeling, you are not able to express your thought. So difficulty expressing your thought and the emotions. So you're suppressing your feelings, suppressing your emotions. You're just quiet, you're just silent, you're not wanting to tell anything. Or the person might suffer with a speech problem, dryness in the mouth, and some issue in the mouth, like dental issue, any issue in the mouth. On the other side, if the mouth is having high energies, then the excessive talking, excessive explanation, over explaining, or you are very aggressive verbally, you are shouting, you are abusing someone, you are doing verbal aggression. You are communicating too much, you are talking too much. Sometimes you are talking unwanted things in the high energy in the mouth. So how will see? We will see the tension in the jaw, grinding of the teeth. Okay. So these things will happen. Many times person sleeping in the night, and during the night they are grinding. They are grinding the teeth. Why it's happening? The grinding means the person is having high energy in the mouth, having too much craving to speak out. Now, having some suppression, suppose someone is having lots of suppression in the family, having too much emotions, want to speak, but is speaking with a family, with a partner, with someone, then there's a fight, there's a quarrel is going on. And if this person will not speak, then this excessive energy will damage something. Maybe because sometimes you want to speak, you want to fight, you want to quarrel. कभी आप झगड़ा करना चाहते हो, खूब बोलना चाहते हो, आप अपने आप को खोल देना चाहते हो, लेकिन आपको पता है भी किया तो सामने वाला भी झगड़ा करेगा. Then you will not speak out. You will not tell anything. But now this excessive energy will damage. It will get unwanted jaw tension, grinding, salivation, some problem in the mouth. So low energy in the mouth, you are not able to communicate, you are not able to express. High energy of the mouth, excessive communication, excessive talking, verbal talking, or verbal shouting. So there's a difference. So in this way, the low energy may result from past trauma. So you're suppressing your communication, you're not able to speak, you're having fear of speaking. Then you're introverted type. Okay. And the high energy due to the maybe sometimes you are very much stressful, hyperactive, too much anger, then you're talking too much. So that is the energy of mouth. So we have to balance the energy of the mouth. So how to balance if someone is suffering with some problem of the mouth, like dry mouth, some dental issue, or jaw tension, teeth grinding, salivation. So oil pulling with the coconut or the CCM oil. Oil pulling is very effective. What is oil pulling? Keeping the oil, take the 1 spoon oil, keep in the mouth. It might be coconut oil, sesame oil, mustard oil. Just take the 1 spoon oil, keep in the mouth. Then do your work. Keep doing your work. Whatever work you are doing, you are watching some serial, you keep watching. You are doing some work from the hand, keep doing. Keep that oil for 15 minutes in the mouth. That is very good oil pulling. But if you don't have time, then at least keep for 1 minute. But otherwise, you can keep the oil in your mouth and watch something in the television. 15 minutes go very fast, even you will not able to realize. Keep oil in your mouth. That is called oil pulling. You can keep 1 spoon, 2 spoon oil. Okay. Excellent for all the problem of the mouth. It will strengthen your gums. Teeth decay will be not there. Any unwanted problem of the mouth can be taken care by oil pulling. The second thing, whatever you are eating, it's affecting your mouth. So make sure you're eating the right food, because if you're eating the spicy food, acidic food, that will also create the problem in the stomach as well as your mouth. And because the mouth is having connection with the communication, connection with us, expression of feeling. So singing something, chanting something to open up your throat chakra. Like chanting Soham, Soham, Soham. Soham is the Bij mantra. Soham. We are telling this is the mantra for Lord Shiva. Soham. Hum is the Bij mantra of throat chakra. Hum. 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 So you can do so you will fit some vibration into throat chakra. Like if you tell ram, like ram or ram, you will feel some vibration at the navel chakra. When we tell lam means lambodara. Lambodara means Gadpati. Lam, lam, lam. Lam means root chakra. It will create the vibration in the root chakra, lam. Then we are coming to the sex chakra, sacral chakra, which is below the navel. Then we are bum, 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 bole, bum, bum, bole, bum, 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 bole. Like on the Shivratri, people are doing bum, bum, bole. It's activating the sacral chakra, sex chakra. So we can cure the polycystic ovary, uterus problem, prostate problem with the bum. Bum is for sex chakra. Then we are coming to the navel or the Manipur. Manipur is connected to diabetes, liver. Ram, 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 ram. Ram is the Bij mantra for diabetes, for fatty liver, for navel chakra, Manipur chakra, rum, 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 rum. Heart, yum, yum, yum. Then we are talking about the throat chakra. So throat chakra is having M, like Saraswati mantra. Om M Namah, Om M M. We are telling small kids, okay, do the chanting of Saraswati mantra. It will ignite your Saraswati Vidya. M. Then hum is here, but also affecting here. Hum. Hum is the Bij mantra for Agya chakra, but is also affecting the throat chakra. We are telling we are getting success in the life. We are doing some work and we are getting success. Sometimes we are doing good work, but still we are not getting success. Success depends on the throat chakra. Throat chakra means safalta, success. If we activate our throat chakra, so we can chant M, 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 Om, M, Namah. Or M is the real mantra. M, M, M. Previously, it was so like common, like when the kids were small, all the parents used to tell, okay, chant Saraswati mantra, one mala, Om, M, Namah, Om, M, Namah. Now it's disappeared. Now people are not giving value to this. Okay, get up, brush, breakfast, go school. Finish. In the night, watch TV, study, watch TV and sleep. There is no value of the mantra nowadays in most of the family. M is the very super mantra. It will activate the throat chakra. Throat chakra means Saraswati, Safalta, success. Okay. And this is hum. So hum is activating this as well as this. Hum. So hum. So hum. Hum means Agya chakra. So breathe in. So breathe out. Hum. Even we can do mental chanting. So hum. So means breathe in. Hum means breathe out. We can do, or we can chant so hum. So hum. So activate your Agya chakra. And for this, only Om. For Sahasrara chakra, just Om. Om. So here, it's written, if you want to work on the mouth, chant Soham. Okay. But again, I will tell you, if you want to activate your throat, Saraswati, Ma Saraswati, Lord Saraswati, or not only Saraswati, Brahma. Brahma means having 4 Vedas in the forehead. Having 4 Vedas. Brahma is having 4 head. Forehead representing the 4 Veda. What is that? Veda means Saraswati. Ved means you want to ignite your knowledge. So here, singing or chanting. To open up the throat chakra, improving self-expression, we can chant Soham or we can chant M. Now regarding the Marma point, Hanu Marma and the Dant Marma. Hanu Marma. Hanu Marma. Hanu Marma. What is the Hanu Marma? Hanuman. Hanu means this chin. That is called Hanu Marma. So what we have to do, we can keep the hand here just to rotate in the both direction. Hanu Marma is very good Marma for many things. During the discussion of Marma therapy, we have discussed a lot about the Hanu Marma. Like someone is angry, you hold this. Oh, don't be angry. Like this. Don't be angry. This Marma will bring the smile. Okay, very good Marma. It's very good for anger. Don't be angry. Don't touch the nose without any reason. You are stimulating the marma point. Nose is very sensitive. If you touch the nose of any animal, that will attack on you. Touching the nose means touching the power. You're touching my power. Oh, discount will attack on you. But Hanumarma, if someone is angry, hold the chin and do. Don't be angry. So this is the marma point, bringing anger burst out, anger resolved. So Hanumarma, this is a mandible, this is a jaw, having connection with the mouth. So we can stimulate Hanumarma, Dantamarma. For the Dantamarma, we have to remember a few things. Whenever you are passing the urine or whenever you are passing the stool, don't speak anything while passing the urine or while passing the stool. When you pass the urine and when you pass the stool, during that time, upper teeth and the lower teeth will be together like this. Clinch. Gently. If you're not doing this, suppose you are doing urination and you are talking, you are passing the stool and you are talking. आजकल तो लोग है ना स्टूल के पॉट पे मोबाइल से बातें करते हैं भैया, अच्छा ठीक है अभी मैं बिजी हूँ बाद में क्या नहीं, और वही मोबाइल लेके फिर कहते हैं इस दुनिया की सबसे पवित्र चीज कौन सी है? मोबाइल। टॉयलेट में भी जाएगा और मंदिर में भी जाएगा, हर जगह जाता है, वो कभी अपवित्र नहीं होता मोबाइल। लोग उसके पॉट पे बैठ के बात करते हैं। मुझे तो पता चला, एक पेशेंट ने बोला कि उसने नया आईफोन खरीदा और पॉट में चला गया। मैंने कहा कैसे चला गया? कि बात कर रहे थे, कहाँ पे? पॉट पे बैठ गई। मैंने कहा हद हो गई। फिर अभी कोई आपको बोले ना लो लो फोन से बात करो, भैया हमें हमारे फोन पे लगवाओ, हमें नहीं बात करनी है तुम्हारे फोन से, हमें थोड़ी पता तुम पॉट पे लेके जाते हो। सो बी अवेयर, many person are talking on the phone while sitting on the stool pot or while passing the urine, and we don't know whether they are washing the hand or not properly, and the same phone is telling okay talk to this, है ना? कई पेशेंट आते हैं, ओके लो बात करो, भैया इस पे फोन लगवाओ हमारे फोन पे नहीं तो फोन को ला पानी में धो के लाओ, जाओ गंगा जल में डुबो के लाओ। So in this way we have to be very much careful for this. Okay, so Dantamarma means when we are passing the stool, when you are passing the urine, clench your upper teeth with the lower teeth. Don't speak anything. If you speak something, it will invite prolapse in the future. It's not only about the mouth problem, even the body, it will invite prolapse. It is very, like we are telling, okay, don't talk while passing the urine and stool. Okay, so that is Dantamarma. That is the practice of Dantamarma, and Hanumarma is this. So in this way, this was the mouth. For the mouth, we have seen oil pulling, avoid spicy food, acidic food, do some chanting. So with the help of chanting, you're doing expression of your feelings, then you will be empty, your negative emotions are going out. Hanumarma means the marma on chin, and the Dantamarma, what we have discussed, practices during the passing stool, urine and all. Regarding the acupressure point, LI4, LI4, CB23 and stomach 5. LI4 is a very well-known point here. This is LI4 we know. LI4 is the distal point for head and throat. LI4. So we can press LI4. CB23 is the point here. So we can do little gentle pressure here or little here. Or we can put in the sujok or gentle massage. It will give very good relaxation, or you can do stretching. What is the stomach 5? So we can see this, the masseter muscle, just massaging the masseter muscle. It just hold this muscle and do the massage in upward direction, because emotions of mouth are stored in the masseter muscle. That's why when the person is stressful, want to eat something. When the person is like doing chewing or moving the mandible, feel little better, because masseter muscle is storing lots of emotions, and the person want to move the masseter muscle. Masseter muscle we have to release, and this muscle get tight. Here we are having stomach 5 point. So 3 point we have seen. I will show you stomach 5. So if you see this image, this is the masseter muscle, and just on the border of the masseter muscle we have stomach 5. We can see stomach 5 is here on the border of masseter muscle. If we do the clenching of the mouth, do like this, we can feel the masseter muscle. Just anterior to the masseter muscle is the stomach 5. Other 2 point we know already. CB23 and LI4. So this was the mouth. Now we are coming to the upper arm. Yes, upper arm we have not discussed. Armpit we discussed. Upper arm. So let's see the upper arm. So what is the upper arm? So big, this is the arm. We divide the arm in 2 parts. This is the upper arm. Okay. So this is the upper arm. From here till here, this is the upper arm. And from here, this is lower arm. So we are talking about the upper arm. So what is the upper arm? Upper arm means here, what is the meaning as per the energy concept? The arm means give and take. We are giving something and we are taking something. Arm means we want to do something. Oh, we want to do something. We want to do some action. We want to drive something. We want to work. Because arm are like servants. They are following the orders. They will give, they will take, they will drive, they will do something. This will order, brain just will order like a boss. Okay. But who will do? The arm will be doing something. So arm are for giving something, taking something. So this is the arm. Now, if the person is having low energy in the arm, doesn't want to give something, doesn't want to take anything, or just like this. He doesn't want to give, doesn't. So that's why in the class, if someone is sitting like this, he doesn't want to receive something. He is closing himself. It's the body language. Body language means someone is standing like this. Why the person closing the arm? Some meaning energy wise. That person is neither is taking something nor giving something.